Hey guys, right, so just in Koh Samui here, and I noticed these new convenience stores that are open up. They're called Tops, right? So usually we shop in 7-Eleven, mini marts, and all sorts of other little mini marts. But this one might be actually cheaper than 7-Eleven. So let's go and have a look. Check out some of the prices of some of the stuff that we normally buy when we're on holidays here, right? Hey, let's go. So it has a big food court in it as well here, right? $200 baht, 300 baht, fruit. Some of your veg. Those are those pineapples. 50 baht for 49 baht. Watermelon. $59 baht. So you got slices of ham there, premium ham, around 60 baht. Eggs. Got more eggs here, look at. What are those eggs? They're really unusual looking, they're tiny, aren't they? But 69 baht here for these eggs. 39 baht. A pack of 4 eggs. It's a fairly decent size as well, like. See, can we find some other stuff? 200 baht for sort of like imported chocolate. So you got your coffees here, look at that one, Starbucks, 279 baht. Other coffee brands and stuff like that. But you can see the prices there, guys, it's not that cheap. It's not that dear. $269 baht. From Kona, 119 baht. There's your cereals. A box of cornflakes, 59 baht. So you always end up buying one of these anyway when they're on holidays. So 99 baht for some detergent there. What's that, about €2.60 with $4.50. Bread. It's always something I'm looking for on holidays anyway. That's decent enough. 59 baht for that. Vegan bread here. There's your normal white sliced loaf bread. 44 baht. Feels soft as well. Orange juice there now, 85 baht. Let's see what price some cold drinks are, if I can find it. Haven't been in here yet. There is all your milks and yogurts and stuff. We got more meats here. Wagyu beef, Thai Wagyu beef steak there, look at 239 baht. Thai beef as well. Nice. All their chickens and stuff, fish. Right, here we go. The business end. Right, so there's can of Singer, 53 baht. I have paid 70 baht, if not more, in 7-Eleven. Chang there, 58 baht. Cans. They also have bottles there as well. Smirnoff Ice. If you're into those sort of drinks. Even the little cans of Budweiser are fairly cheap, look at it. For 47 baht. Little bottles of water, 5 baht. Can of Diet Coke, right. Diet Coke is probably one of my favourite drinks. 16 baht. I pay 45 baht in the local 7-Eleven where I am. That just goes to show you there's a massive difference if you shop around. And the cheese, Gouda cheese, 129, cheddar. Have to say, I am fond of cheese. Corona. Right, I didn't know they had all this here, look at it. All sorts of world beers. Wine and champagne. But we're in Thailand, so sorry, I'm gonna drink what you can see. Thai beer. So Samig Light, 44 baht. I've paid 65 for that in 7-Eleven. Oh, yeah, you can get little 2-packs. 100 baht for 2-pack. Singer, here we go. Singer Light. I didn't know that was such a thing. Like calories, and it's mid-strength, okay? I didn't know that was there. Singer. I really enjoy one or two of them. Leo. You know you can get Leo in Aldi in Australia. Well, you could do in Perth anyway. Hendrix. Oh, this is all your gins. 2,099 baht for Hendrix. Some of your whiskies here, look at. Assuming that's no, Scottish flag there, look at. I was going to say that's Thai. No, they have all the flags for all the different regions. Look at this American flag there, obviously for Jack Daniels and that. But it's your rums. Yeah, that's everything really, doesn't it? Everything, I mean. But obviously, same drinks there, all just chilled. So you got all the cheese here as well, look at it. Wow. Cheese everywhere. Fresh meats. They must have their own butcher here. Oh, yep, there you go, look at it. James, the butcher. You pick, we grill. Wow. All this beautiful bread, look at it. How nice is that? It's lovely, you know? And beautiful soups. Oh wow, look at that meat. Oh my, wow. Pizza. And these are just ready for eating. The famous durian. 249. Wow. The dragon fruit. Well, it's not bad actually, guys. I'll tell you what, it's pretty reasonably priced. Good job. And if you're looking for this actual particular store, it's over here in Central Samui. Big new shopping mall here just off Chowing Road. Oh guys, what do you reckon? Is it cheaper than 7-Eleven? I think it is. In certain things anyway. I have been shopping at 7-Eleven now for a bit. And yeah, I definitely know there's definitely some price differences. And this one here, called Tops, was definitely better priced. Yeah, so definitely time to shop around, guys, when you're over here on holidays. And yeah, look, that's all from me over in Numit for another video here in Samui. Stay tuned for more, and until next time, guys, peace, adios, slán that.